Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. Today we're going to bring a flexible tripod. And this is pretty much what you get on the actual box when you purchase like this. You get the tripod itself, and then, like I said, it's very flexible. And then they give you a camera mount, and we're going to put this to the use also too. But we're going to give you other options you can do with this thing. So let's put the box aside and let's talk a little bit more about it. So first of all, on the tripod itself, it's very flexible, really sturdy and strong, and I actually used it and I enjoyed it. It has a little lock mechanism in here, real simple to lock in. This is to lock in the actual top of this part of it, if you guys can see it, because this part actually rotates into 360 and it has a locking feature right here that you kind of move it left or right. And once you park it there, you lock it in, you cannot move it from that fixture itself. So there's a little indentation here. Now, other than that, you got a little bit of rotation here. It's not 100%. 45-degree angle, that's pretty much what you have in rotation. So there's a tilt if you want to do it, but you just could center it up if you want to. One thing I kind of miss on some of these was a little balance bubble that they used to have, and unfortunately, because they're getting too small, it's hard to put it in there. But and there's also a little hanger too that you can hang this into your backpack or anything like that. Of course, there's a little snip right here that you can put it in there and just hang it and keep it there handy. Now you could use this as the actual handheld part of it too, to walk around the actual park or the place that you're going to go to, or the amusement or the location. I mean, this is great to actually walk around with. This is perfect if you're going to go to a Comic-Con convention, car convention. You can walk around, and then what you can do is fix this into any kind of angle you want. And like I said, you could rotate and actually make it a little smaller as a little tripod if you want to get close and personal with some of the fixture. If you guys can see this, I actually put half of it down, and I was able to get it to stay fixed. Now to set it up back, it's easy, you know, just make sure you straighten them up after, and that's it. This is real flexible, real good, handy little device you're going to require if you're going to be filming outdoors. This is a great way to actually move around, and this is a plus that they give you the actual phone adapter. Now this one, I was able to put my Galaxy Ultra 21, and that phone is huge, and you're going to see a little bit on the film that how big it is, but it is big. Now let me give you another option regarding that. They have these adapters they sell, right? It's not included in here, but I highly recommend you, if you're going to do a GoPro, you just basically just screw it in here, and it's an adapter they sell online. You screw it in here, and then you bring your GoPro, and this is a GoPro 7 I'm going to bring in here. You bring your GoPro, you screw it in, and that's pretty much it. That's what she wrote. Once you have that in there, you could use your GoPro as your main camera if you want, and you could lock it in there. It won't move. Fixture's pretty good. You could have this. You could hang this on the car. You could tie it down on the actual car in the front or whatever you want, instead of using any kind of clamps. You want to get a certain angle. If you can't reach, because some of the clamps cannot even go left or right, this is a perfect way to actually rotate. You could rotate this in any direction you want. And this is fixed. If you guys could see this, you could fix it up here if you want. And this is great for the smaller cameras if you want to use it, right? A better angle. You want to have a smaller camera instead of putting in a phone or putting a larger Canon camera or a Sony camera. This is a great option too for actual GoPros too. So if you guys are interested, I'll put a little description on this little device here. It's not included, but it's a great option, and I normally use this for a GoPro too. So this is our phone, and this is a Droid Ultra Galaxy 21. So we're gonna set it up and see how it works. We're gonna film with this. We're gonna be capturing with the tripod here too, if you can see it. It's not a little capture. It's really good for things like this. You want to set up somewhere outside too. So we're gonna be capturing with the tripod here too, if you can see it. What you can do with it. And this is the tripod on the top of it. Nice and smooth. Gripping on. Very simple. How it grabs onto this thing. All right, so we came back. The tests were pretty good. Actually, I was able to hang this on on a fence line. Really simple, easy. I like this part of it. This is a little flimsy, to be honest with you. It still hangs on the phone. I'm not gonna lie to you. It didn't fall or anything. It had a great grip. It actually made a maximum stretch on the actual phone. Wish they had a little lock mechanism, but you know what? This is good enough for it. It came with the phone. It was a great plus. I will continue to use this in my arsenal of filming. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope the demo helped you out decide on what you want to do with it. But it's your choice. Other than that, I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.